what we've done is introduced a range of films that helps refresh. So in an hospitality or a restaurant, or even in a work environment or an exhibition environment, it gives the feeling of say for instance a marble effect or a wood effect. So these products are easily applied. They're very thick vinyls that allows that application to go around very well. And then obviously the other products that we do are more specialist, so you can have more glitter-based products for those very niche kind of restaurant environments. So we've got a very wide range of products. We sell this by the meter, so from that perspective it's quite cost effective, and it's very project based. You know, whether that's we're seeing a lot of activity in domestic kitchens, so if you wanted once again instead of purchasing a new kitchen, why not wrap it? You know, why not wrap your work surfaces? Why not wrap the cabinets itself and the cabinet doors? So it gives lots of new options, and lots of new options for our customers to diversify in. You know, for customers who are used to vinyl applications, this is just a natural transition into the market. So a fantastic range targeted for kind of flat surfaces, but we also do more window decorating films where these products have been brought in once again to really bring window surfaces to life, and some of it might be in the actual design pattern itself. So as opposed to maybe etching or printing a design, that actually it's already pre-printed to save time, but once again gives a fantastic effect. And that can be on the internal windows, that can be also done on screens and shower screens, and brings a real quality to the product.